Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cat ears. They look better with a wig because my hair isn't very thick, so like you can see the clip in like it's not attached. But when I put on a wig, it looks fine, and also if you have thicker hair that isn't like just straight and won't do anything, it'll probably look even better. The things you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil. You're also going to need craft foam of any color because you can paint them whatever color you want, but I already had black craft foam, so I just used that. You're going to need a heat gun, a glue gun, and something to use for your hair. I use little clips, but you can also use a headband if you want. The first thing that you're going to want to do is draw the shape of your ear on a piece of paper. Trace it on the craft foam. After you draw your shape, you're going to want to cut it out. Next thing that you're going to want to do is heat up your craft foam. I used a heat gun, but I've seen people use stoves, so you can just look up other videos and you can learn other ways to heat your craft foam up. Once you heat it up, you take something that's round, and then you place it on the side. I just used something that I found in my kitchen. After you do that, you're going to hot glue your clip or your headband to the craft foam. I had my mom help me because I didn't want to like mess it up and then have to redo all this. That's why I don't have a video of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!